Welcome to our Power Project tutorials. For more resources, including a downloadable manual, select the link below.
Let me just show you a couple of items that are in your book. I can add multiple tasks to a row. We're not going to do that so much in the class, but just so you kind of get an idea, I'm going to go down here and just add some. I can add an activity here and add another activity on the same row, right? Now what ASTA is actually doing, it's actually creating those 4 tasks, but it keeps them rolled up. I can roll them up on run row. So if I put site landscaping and I expand it, it adds site landscaping to all 4 activities. So that's another way to add activities. Just selecting one row, sliding your bar, and adding multiple activities on one row. This is on page 36. Page 37 has some good pointers. I can click and drag an activity. Notice on when I put my mouse over here to the right side of an activity, I can drag that length longer, right? I can drag the end date out. Same thing on the start date on the other end of an activity. I can just move a bar out and move it back if I want manually. Now once I schedule it, it's going to bring it back. Once I calculate it, just for creating a simple bar chart, it's very easy to move bars around if you're not using the logic. I can also make a lot of these changes down here in this. If I have this activity selected, right, I can go down here in the bar chart or in this object bar and make edits down here easy. We're not going to spend much time on that, but I can move bars up and down, right? If I want to move one up and down, I get over here on the left-hand side of that row at the very edge of the left, and notice how this, what they call a little candy wrapper icon, comes up, and I can move that around, especially when I have an activity. If I want to move my insulation down into my interior finishes, I can move it down that way or move it back up.
Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Please leave comments.